Hi, in this video we will discuss about the new coronavirus modification, that is the new coronavirus variant. Variant means the changes of their not structure but their function. So how it is possible? Because basically their spike protein differentiation, because the modification of the virus, the COVID-19, which that is continuously variant increase. For example, the delta, after the delta, the basically the omicron is the next. So the 100 cases is discovered from the South Africa. So that means this is the changes, and this is basically evolutionary process which give the changes of the COVID-19, which that will be variable. How it's possible? I am giving the suggestion for that things. Basically is the important things according to me. The changes is occurring due to the changes due to their spike protein, which that is produced from their genome. So basically the coronavirus can be infect the animal as well as the human. So that is known as the zoonotic virus or zoonotic virus, which that is both sided, animal and human. So when in fact the when we use the vaccine, which that produce the long term antibodies for prevention of the again infection. So the antibodies produced from the B memory cell will remain the memorize the coronavirus. For example, if we will give the messenger RNA or RNA virus containing vaccine, or sorry, so that is our spike protein, our whole their structure without function. Basically the inactive state of the virus will inject, that is known as vaccine, and our body will produce the antibodies against this against that virus, and again infection will rapidly clear due to the antibodies already present due to the vaccine stimulation. So the vaccine stimulant due to the vaccination. So important thing is that when we will provide the vaccine, so coronavirus should be changed for again infection. So the coronavirus will be replicate into the animal. After the replication into the animal, it will be modified also for the infection to the person, infection to the human, because they are resist to infect against with the specific spike protein. So that specific spike protein are present in the upper proteinaceous coat, you can see, and that spike protein will be differentiated due to the evolutionary process. And you know the virus is inactive in the external environment, but it means the external environment not preferable or not give the promotion for the evolution. So they need the host. So the host, for example, you will getting the immune system activation against that virus, but we are not injecting to the animal that basically vaccine. So the animal can be infected by the virus. So a virus will change their shape, and when virus will change their shape, so it can be able to infect the human again due to the modification of the spike protein. So the omicron is basically due to the changes of the spike protein through adaptation, that is known as the adaptation, because the more reproduction of the virus in the host. So the host specific virus is the host specific, so it means it can be infect the bat and camel or other animal. So in this way, when will infect the bat, so it will be modified and proliferate itself for change their spike protein for infection to the human. So virus is continuously want to infect the human, but the changes of the human due to the antibodies production, which that give the long-term immune system activation, and in this way the B memory cell will be produced. So again infection will be not possible, but important thing is that the modification of the spike protein will escape their immune system with the B memory cell, because the specific antibodies will bind with the specific spike protein. But when the spike protein again modified, and after the modification of the spike protein will resist from that antibodies. So that is why this is the major reason for the variation of the coronavirus. So recently Omicron, which that is going faster. So that important thing is that the coronavirus want to infect more because they want to host. So the human continuously resisting from the coronavirus after one wave, second wave, third waves, and providing the vaccine for the protection. So the coronavirus want to resist that protection, and coronavirus will infect again due to the modification. So the modification is important, and that is why the modification is occurring throughout their cycle. If their host was the animal, so after the animal into the animal as a host replication, and after the modification due to the coronavirus will be modified due to the genome expression, as well as other modification which that produce the different variants, and that variants will be infect again. So that it is normal, basically is no recently Omicron infected person discovered by the positive Omicron variant is 100. So basically and other countries the little bit. So what is the meaning of this? This meaning is it is normal, this is not too much. So if we can manage from that South Africa, so we can manage, and the WHO will focus that problem, so it can be solved easily. But if the spreading will be more, so the Omicron variant can infect more persons and throughout the world, and worldwide will be virulate that, and virus will be more and more replication into the. So the early prevention can be inhibit that process, and if the early inhibition will be occur, so that again more modification can be occur. So that process is continuously. So recently we are just checking about the virus, because the old time we was not checking, but no, recently we are checking the viral disease. So that is why we are taking out that problem. So that is why. Otherwise, there are several times or many years ago that process is continuously going on. So that is why it is basically it's normal. You should not fear about that, and be calm down, and it is not a problem. That problem is due to the social media, which that is give the viral of this message to other person. So that is why, while the Omicron is the basically the family of the COVID-19, SARS and MERS basically is the family of the COVID. So this is basically the coronavirus, and that coronavirus is continuously changing their shape. Why? Because they want to get host, and if our antibodies will resist and fight against that coronavirus, so the coronavirus should be changed. Why? Because they want to host, because they want to grow and they want to replicate, because every animal want to replicate and create their generation and maintain their generation throughout that time. For example, human population is increasing day by day. So that is important thing. We want to increase our population for getting success, and getting the increase the population is the strength of the country. So that is why the every living organism, for example, the virus is non-living in the outer environment. So it required the host. For example, we can get the vaccine, so we can resist, but the virus can infect the animal to again proliferate and again change their way of infection for success to the host as a human. So that is important things, and that is the evolutionary process is going on, and it is basically you should say that it is normal, it is not a problem, and it is not going on just like a first wave of the coronavirus, which that is not more percentage of the death, so the little bit, and we can control, and we did it. So basically important thing is that we should rapidly take action for the Omicron to get the success for the prevention. So we can make the vaccine just like other Sinovac, Sinopharm, and Pfizer. So that is against the COVID-19 with a specific spike protein or something, with the specificity of the coronavirus with the structure. So again, we can develop the vaccine to solve this problem. So that is important things. So you should need to understand in this topic basically the evolutionary process continuously going on, and in this way the evolutionary process will keep the modification due to the zoonotic virus. Basically this is, and that was the before the delta virus in the delta wave. So in this time Omicron is more going to violate because the many cases is showing out. So that is why that is important thing according to the biological process which that is going on, and that is the problem. And you should need to understand that that is the curable, because vaccine can develop and we can solve this problem. So I hope you are getting these things, this concept. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and give the comment below for understanding the if you understand the process of the variants. So the variants process.